Come on. Hello, dear. Come on, dear. What you doing there? Psst. That bird affect him to go there and take a look on that. This cat is already here. That's my boy. I love him so much. He's my boy. I like him so much. He's my smart boy. I call him smart boy. Come on. Come on there, calm down. It's over. Nothing is there. Just calm down. Just come. Come over here. That's my boy. That's my smart boy. I like him so much. He's mine. Hello, smart boy. He's Dr. Smarty Pants. He's super wise boy. Hello, my wise boy. I like you badly. You know that? You already knew that I like you so much. You knew that. Yeah? You know, my boy. About that girl there, as you can see, these guys are here